Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are working on arms. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us focused on triceps. You guys have been asking me for body weight exercises, less with the dumbbells, more with the body weight. So I've got 4 exercises just for you. We're gonna be standing, so no yoga mat, no dumbbells needed, only your arms, okay? Before we get started, don't forget December's workout calendar is available, so click the link in the description and get your calendar today. Let's get started. So here we go, out and circles. We're gonna be doing 20 circles. So starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. From here, arm chops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going up and down now. Scissors. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're doing chops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms are straight. 9, 10. Back to the circles. So that was 1 circuit. We're doing 3 in a row. We're not taking any breaks because these are beginner and they are only gonna work if we don't take breaks, you guys. We're here at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're coming in and out. 10, 9. I'm starting to feel it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Crossover, scissors. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and chops. We're going here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to circles. We're almost done, you guys. This is the last set. Right here, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 together. I told you this was going to be quick. 9, 8, 7, 6, crossing over, scissors. Chops, 10. Reach back, you guys, all the way back. All right, I think 9 and 10. That's the workout, you guys. That is literally the workout. Super beginner, just like you asked for. Only body weight, just like you asked for. And I'm feeling it. Okay, I'm feeling it a little bit. Obviously, you know, I usually work out with a lot more resistance. I like my dumbbells. We're trying to get that, you know, toned up. But we are starting off with beginners. So I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. If you did, leave me a big thumbs up. Also, leave me your feedback down below. Was this too beginner and you want a little bit more repetitions or exercise variety? Or was this perfect and I should make more beginner exercises just like this? Leave me some feedback down below. I wanna know what you guys thought about this. Also, don't forget, stretch out your arms if you're feeling tight. I will leave a stretching video up on the screen, a nice cool down. I'll see you guys there. Bye.